Kumusta na katrabaho si Baron?
Si Baron, okay naman. Actually, lagi ko siya kasama sa set. Si Baron, lagi kong ka-eksena and sinitured. So, Baron is a very different kind of actor din. Meron siyang sarili niyang process. Lagi niyang kausap si ChatGPT recently. So, very baget si Baron right now. May Gen Z siya na ugali na tinatanong niya si ChatGPT kung tama ba yung mga ginagawa niya. So, natutuwa ako dun kasi ngayon ko lang nakita yung process na yun. Yeah, very different.
Okay, yung Pure Sang Bella kasi parang ang dami mo ginagawa. How do you stay present? Ano yung parang, and parang you still have time for other things. How do you do it?
Hindi ko na nga din alam. Nag-acid reflux na nga ako eh. Feeling ko kabado na ako sa life ko kasi parang dami kong gusto mangyari. Ay, hindi ko na rin alam. Gusto ko na kumain ng kanin. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, nagkanin na ako sa kabila. Nanonood lang ako mga videos sa Kabalastugan para sumaya ako. Yun yung mga ginagawa ko sa life.
Kaya lagi ka may mga comments.
Yeah. Actually, naging, feeling ko online besties na kami ni Gabs. Gabs nang nickname niya sa akin. Lagi ako nag-DM sa kanya. Tawang-tawa ako sa video mo. Tapos nag-reply siya, ako din. I love Kabalastugan. No, wala eh. Sabi nila, if you wanna be present, when you walk, just walk. Diba? Don't think about other things. When you walk, don't think about what you're eating for dinner. Don't think about who you need to call. So when you're walking, just walk. So yun, while I'm here, I'm talking to you guys. I'm just talking to you guys. I want to talk to you guys. I want to be here. So that's me being present. Because I appreciate you guys being here also. So I like to be present at work because I love my job so much. And I like to be present for the people who are present for me also. So it comes naturally. I think yun naman, if you like what you're doing, things come easy.
Focused ka ba sa paggawa nitong teleserye? Do you have other projects?
I have a movie coming in that's also really, really exciting. It's the first time I'm working with this person. It's a drama comedy. Hindi na naman love story, so masaya ako. But that's for another day. I'm sure makakausap ko kayo for that soon. But yeah.
Kailangan mas challenging paggawa ng movie or itong TV series?
Definitely itong TV series. Especially itong TV series na to. Nakakapagod siya. Physically nakakapagod siya. Parang wala pa akong buwan simula nung nag-taping na to na hindi ako nagkasakit. Lagi ako may sakit recently kasi grabe yung pagod nung show. But yun nga, worth it pag napanood mo eh. So, okay na din.
Pero nakikita mo yung...
Sorry.
Nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo na mag-direct ng isang episode ng Blood vs. Duty?
I would love to if they let me. Yeah, I would love to. Kasi I've been watching Direk FMR closely. Kasi I love also Direk Bejoy and Direk Rico. Pero si Direk FMR, grabe yung genius niya. Like, meron talaga siyang nakikita na hindi namin nakikita. Yung parang, Direk, ano bang pinainom sa yung gatas ng baby ka? Bakit ganyan ka mag-isip? Ang galing-galing niya. I get so excited pag nakikita ko yung pangalan ko sa Unit 1 na call sheet. Kasi
Nakaka-work.
yeah, and parang kahit wala na ako eksena minsan, tumatambay ako sa system na feeling ko baka na-awkward na sila. Ano ginagawa nito dito? Pero pinapakinggan ko yung mga sinasabi ni Direk FMR kasi minsan may binubulong siya kay Richard or sa akin or kung kanino man na nasa set right now na that's not the motivation I would necessarily go for or think of, but it works. And then you'll see it on screen, oh my God, it really works. So parang galing. Like, paano niya kaya naisip to? But yeah. Siya na yun.
Wala na-mention mo po na may specific habit si Sir Baron na very Gen Z, very young.
Yes.
Ikaw po ba as a long-time actress na have you picked up younger styles or and such? Ano yun?
Actually, parang hindi. Parang wala pa. Baka malapit ko na lang i-pick up yung ChatGPT. Pero right now, hindi pa. Hindi pa kami friends si ChatGPT. Kasi, ewan ko ba, nag-resist pa ako sa kanya. Baka soon. Kasi nakikita ko si Baron talaga, kinakausap niya eh. Base sa script na pinadala ko sa'yo, anong masasabi mo sa, oh, kinakausap yung best friend talaga sila. Oh, galing. Parang galing kasi na-utilize niya yung ChatGPT well.
Ano sa pag-analyze ng characters yun? Or
I think so. Kasi sometimes, and that's good, that's a very smart thing to do because sometimes, because ikaw yung character, hindi mo ma-judge, yung parang masyado kang close. You need someone from outside the box to give you perspective, diba? So him doing that is actually a very smart move. So, alam mo baka gawin ko na yan next episode. Yun na yung Gen Z-ness ko.
Pero if ever, may mga specific advice na gusto mong i-give out sa mga aspiring actors or new gen actress natin na would you love to see them yung parang utilize kasi very different
Yeah.
based din sa mga nakakuha ko.
Ako naman same lang lagi yung advice ko. Study your script, study your material, come to work prepared. It's always the same thing. Kasi I think yung level din of preparation before is very different from the level of preparation now. Kasi nga, ang dami na artista diba compared to before. So dati may time pa talaga kami na mag-workshop, mag-aral. And yung sinusupply din na workshop sa'yo ng producers, directors ng show is not enough. Like, do your own preparation. Kasi syempre, at the end of the day, we're all replaceable. Especially here, ang daming gusto mag-artista sa Pilipinas. If you wanna last long, I guess, do your own research, do your own homework. Show them that you love what you're doing. Show them that you wanna be here. So, I always say this, the industry finds out kung sino yung weeds, kung sino yung pinatapon. Ang natitira talaga is yung mga, I guess, yung good crops. So, prove that you're a good crop, I guess.
Bella, gaano makatagal kayo nagte-taping dito sa Blood versus Beef?
Pasok na pasok kami sa Dole, 16 hours. Yun ba yung tanong?
Hindi, ilang buwan
Yung
siguro.
bangko.
Ah,
Yung bangko.
Pero may pasok. Pasok.
But good to know.
Ilan yung nabangko?
Yes. Nag-start kami mag-taping ng January. Ang ganda na sagot ko, Jonah. Tinanong nila gano'ng katagal nag-taping. Sabi ko, pasok sa Dole, 16 hours.
Garcia, no?
Eddie Garcia Lo. Yeah, no, we started taping. We started preparing January. So, may bangko na kami ng 2 weeks.
So habang tinitaping nyo ito, parang wala ka ba, parang nagkaroon ka ng conflict sa personal beliefs mo?
So far, wala pa naman. Parang wala naman magiging conflict din. Very sensitive din yung writers namin sa, I guess, pag-touch ng sensitive topics ng show. We have also, resource persons on set to make sure na politically correct din yung mga tinatouch namin na topics. Hindi naman kami basta-basta din naglalabas ng information na mali. Meron kaming isang episode din na parang may pinasok kami ng Muslim community nila Richard and Baron as intelligence officers. May tinanong ako kay Direk FMR about kasi sa law, di ba, by law, all over the world, innocent until proven guilty ka, di ba? That's the standard. So I was asking our director, bakit ganun yung takbo nung episode na yon? And tamang-tama yung pag-explain sa akin ni Direk FMR, but I won't let you guys know yet kasi masaspoil ko yung episode. But it's so nice. And nabuksan yung isip ko na, nga pala, yun nga pala yung dahilan.
Pero as an artist, do you think parang responsibility mo rin na...
Yeah, definitely. Kaya I had questions also kasi I would do my own double checking din. Siyempre, yung scriptwriters din namin, pagod din sila na to come up with beautiful episodes and scenes. So, baka meron din silang ma-miss or baka meron silang words na magamit. So, personally, I think it is our responsibility to be mindful. So, I do check. Kaya din ako nagtanong on set. Pero, ang ganda nga nung sagot ni Direk FMR. So,
And ito kasing, syempre hindi naman natin madedenay na political siya.
Yeah.
So, nangyayari din siya sa totoong buhay.
Yes.
Ikaw, Bella, paano mo na pag nasa-separate yung political beliefs mo sa personal beliefs mo, pag yung family members mo or mga kamag-anak mo, iba rin yung paniniwala?
yeah, especially I grew up in a family na iba-iba nga kami ng beliefs. I think the beauty of growing up in such a diverse family nga is what allowed me to do this show. It taught me na at the end of the day, you are allowed to have your own belief as a person. Kasi, yun nga, my family members don't necessarily think the way I do, and I don't necessarily think the way my family members do. But we're okay. We're all okay. That means, as individuals, we have the freedom to think on our own, and that's how we should accept people also. Like, lahat tayo dito, we all have our own beliefs also. Pero, hindi naman tayo nagsasakitan right now, hindi naman tayo galit sa isa't isa, di ba? We're allowed to have our own opinions. We're allowed to vote for the people we want to vote for. We're allowed to dress the way we want to dress, and we're not upset at each other. So that's basic humanity, right? So I think that's a good reminder also from our show na there are two sides, very polar opposite kinds of people, but they're allowed to coexist. Minsan lang may forces within these two polar opposites na nakakasira. kaya sila nagkakaroon ng gulo. So, yun yung isa sa mga itatackle ng show namin. Bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng conflict tong communities na to?